Welcome to Master Potato Farm.
So we pack about 800,000 pounds a day. So about 20 trailer loads of potatoes get packed and shipped every single day. We average around 5 million pounds of sales per week, 300 million pounds in a year. We are the largest potato packer east of the Mississippi.
We created 28 fundamentals that we present every week. We have these cards that contain all the fundamentals in both English and Spanish for our employees.
I enjoy all of my duties. I work mainly translator, Spanish, English, because we have many people who speak Spanish. And I enjoy to help them. There's somebody to communicate with them, not just a worker.
We believe in our mission, which is feeding people. Our mission became more intense during this last 2-year period of COVID because we were all essential workers, which basically meant, like the first couple weeks, the whole world was shut down, but we weren't. We were here working, but people need to eat. So we had to be here to make sure that was happening for everybody.
When I first started here, there were 40 people working here. Now we have like 350. It was a small building and the machines were not automated. Most of it was done by hand. Now we have machines that the scales just weigh it out, dump it in, goes through and comes out all closed up and bags it by itself, everything. All you had to do is put it on a pallet. And we even have stuff that puts it on the pallet now. Before we had people do everything, every single step. Now almost every step is done by the machine.
The why is that we believe in our mission. We believe in feeding people.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.